Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So now that we finalized the materials, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to setting and then from here, I'm going to go to light. Click on sky dome. And then from here, I'm going to click on more. I'm going to select low sun and then cloudy. And then what I usually use is cloudy number 6. Low sun cloudy number 6. And then I rotate this to around, I think, 295. So that's good enough for that. I usually just put it right there so that we could have light, or even around here. This is good as well. Don't worry about that because it looks like it's so dark, but you can adjust the exposure right here. And then the white balance, put it down. And then after that, location, I don't put any of the background. And then here under camera, this is very important to turn on. Visual effects, go to color gradient, and then click here. And then I usually put blue tint. And then here, I adjust the contrast and saturation once we're ready to take a picture. So now we have that. Next thing we're gonna do is we need to add in some lights. So go back here, click on light, and then we add spotlight. You want to make sure to add it correctly. So I'm going to go number 3 on the speed. And then here, make sure that this is correctly. I want to see the height and then the location. So that's perfect on that. And then here, I'm changing the light to at least number 3 only. Color, let's play around with the color. Let's put it down around 3500. So that's perfect. So now here, I'm going to put it, add one, and then this should be, once you grab this one here, you need to hold on shift. That's very important because we want to copy what we have, what we done, and what we set here. So that's very important that you need to hold on shift, and then once you add one, just press OK. Hold on shift, grab it, add one, press OK. And then let's keep on adding those. Hold on shift, add one, OK. Hold on shift right here. Press OK. Hold on shift here, grab it. OK, and then hold on shift here. Now we still have some for the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this one, hold on shift, grab it. I want everything to be the same. So that once I change it, it will affect all of them as well. I'm gonna add here. And then hold on, and then grab it again here. So that's perfect. We just need to grab it here and then add it right there as well. Now we just need to move it, pull it down, and we just need to have it in the correct spot. Grab it one more. I'm gonna pull it down like so. Okay, and then I'll grab it by holding shift, add it, press OK. Grab it here, add it at the corner right there, and then press OK. Add again. Add it there as well. Here. Oops. Undo that. Cancel. And then add it here. I'm going to grab it here and then just add it for now there so that we could put it on this one properly. I know it's too much work just to adding lights, but it actually gives a lot of it looks much better when you're adding those. So trust me if you want to do it perfectly so that everything bounces nicely. Here we could just grab it here and then put it there because we have some on this spot. So number 4 speed so that we could grab it and then add it there. Grab it here, change it to number 3 speed, and then here we could just add. I know it's weird now that we have this stone. We could fix that in Revit, but we need to save this first and go back there. What I'm planning to do is just change the material, so I'm gonna give you a visual. So I just want this, and this to be, and this one to be a different so that we could add this one. And then the rest will be just gypsum wallboard. So obviously we're just going to show the exterior part, but I rather do the changes now so that if I'm planning to showcase this in the later videos, we could just add it Add it there. Add those. Okay, hold on shift again. That's okay, and then hold on shift again. And then okay. Here, maybe, because this is a different material, so I'm just double checking that we add the same materials right there. And then if you see, we have this one also like that. So let me fix that in Revit. So press escape multiple times, and then we just need this part to be a different, so that we could just put this one on the materials that we have before. So go to Quixel Megascan, surface, I think we put plaster, painted, and then let's just put this one as white facade. And then from Revit, we're going to change all this there. So I'm saving it now. Go back to Revit, and then from here, we're going to select this walls. So here I'm going to modify paint. We're going to use paint in order to just change those ones. And then here we have metal panel. I don't know if we were able to add that before, so I'm just gonna use that. Paint that, paint here, paint this one, and then this one as well. Okay. If we double check now, realistic. So that looks perfect. Those are the only ones that I want to be changed. Hidden line, save this one again. Go back to Twinmotion and see it in Twinmotion. Now we have that one, and then we just need to go back to the stone. So go back here, metal, stone, and then I believe it's around here. This one. And then scale it up. And then now it looks perfect. We could do it grayish a little bit so that those lines can be seen properly. But yeah, we fix it so that everything is white inside and everything is according. Here we could just have the same, all white, and then we're good. So now let's start adding some plants. So for this one, I want to add I think it's under bushes. Agave. I'm going to add the agave. So here I'm going to make the scale smaller. So I'm still so I'm gonna click that. And this one is too big. I know we'll be able to scale it up. So here, select the size is too big for now. I'm just gonna put on size 0. And then I think we're able to put it just about in the middle. And then here, hold on shift, keep on adding, maybe 4 more. The last one, we can delete that. We can just delete it from here. And then there we go. And then now, select it again. Still, it's too big when it starts. We could just lower it and then add right about there. And then hold on shift, spacing, probably 3 more. There we go. Move it backwards a little bit like that. And then here as well. Size change. Put it in the middle like that. And then hold on shift. Around 4 more or 3 more. I think that's perfect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the ones that we have right here by holding on control or shift. It's supposed to be shift, so select everything and then to hold on shift, and then we could just pull it off and add it on the other side. I'm gonna select all and then shift this one just about here. I think that's perfect. That looks really nice. And then here, let's add in some trees. And then we could add in a bush like this. I don't know which one is good. I think this one is good as well. There, small ones. And I'm going to select all of them by holding on shift, and then I'm gonna lower them. I think that's good. I think we could still lower them. And then we could add in small trees like this. There we go. And then after that, bigger trees at the back. This is so nice, the golden bamboo. So we could add this one onto this side. And we could actually scale this one a bit. I like the look. And then now we just need to add trees at the back. We have trees right here. That should be for the background. And then we can make this one age bigger and older. So we have a nice background like that. This one, age it bigger as well. Age it older so that we have something like this. That looks very nice. Age this one. And make sure to save it. And then after this, we're going to add in more at the background. Okay. And then now let's add a lot of trees by using vegetation paint. And then let's start by adding this one. And then now it's going to be random. I like to add those ones. And then after this, you need to select all of them. Hold on Shift and select the last one so that the density, and then here you'll be able to make the diameter bigger, and then we'll be able to add those ones at the back. Add those right there. And then of course we need to add reflections at the back as well. Change your speed to number 4. Or 5. Yeah, I'm adding more at the back right here so that a little bit of light can just pass and the effect is much better. Press escape and then let's look at it. Number 6. Number 3 now, or number 4. And the way it looks, it will look like that. But then again, we need to add some grass, and we could review our views. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.